In this problem, we are asked to evaluate the limit as x goes to 0 of the fraction logarithm of sine of 4x, plus 1, over tangent of 2x. It is clear that the fraction logarithm of sine of 4x, plus 1, over tangent of 2x is a quotient of two functions, so we should use the quotient law. Observe that, the limit of a quotient of two functions is the quotient of the limits of those functions as long as the limit of the denominator is not 0. So, the limit as x goes to 0 of the fraction logarithm of sine of 4x, plus 1, over tangent of 2x, is equal to the limit as x goes to 0 of logarithm of sine of 4x, plus 1 divided by the limit as x goes to 0 of tangent of 2x. Therefore, the limit as x goes to 0 of the function is equal to 0 over 0, which is 0 over 0. Consequently, we have an indeterminate form of the type 0 over 0. Given that the limit as x goes to 0 of the function is an indeterminate form of the type 0 over 0, we have to use the L'Hospital rule to resolve the problem. According to the L'Hospital rule, the limit as x goes to 0 of the fraction logarithm of sine of 4x, plus 1, over tangent of 2x is equal to the limit as x goes to 0 of the derivative of the numerator, logarithm of sine of 4x, plus 1 prime, over the derivative of the denominator, tangent of 2x prime. Given that the derivative of logarithm of sine of 4x, plus 1 is 4 times cosine of 4x, plus 0 times 1 over sine of 4x, plus 1, and the derivative of tangent of 2x is 2 times secant square of 2x. Using the L'Hospital rule, we see that the limit as x goes to 0 of the function is equal to the limit as x goes to 0 of 4 times cosine of 4x, plus 0 times 1 over sine of 4x, plus 1, over 2 times secant square of 2x. The limit as x goes to 0 of 4 times cosine of 4x, plus 0 is 4. The limit as x goes to 0 of 1 over sine of 4x, plus 1 is 1. The limit as x goes to 0 of 1 is 1. Consequently, the limit as x goes to 0 of the function 4 times cosine of 4x, plus 0 times 1 over sine of 4x, plus 1 is equal to 4. The limit as x goes to 0 of secant square of 2x is 1. The limit as x goes to 0 of 2 is 2. Thus, the limit as x goes to 0 of the function 2 times secant square of 2x is equal to 2. Therefore, the limit of the numerator is 4, and the limit of the denominator is 2. Ultimately, the limit as x goes to 0 of logarithm of sine of 4x, plus 1, over tangent of 2x, is 2. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks to those who have already done so.